request you guys to please write your team names and give it to us. Preeti Singh. Can anybody make sure? For the loss of 4 wickets. And we are in the 10th over, halfway through after this over. Like what Purushottam is doing here, because he's a spinner, not utilizing that ball of 10 overs, halfway through, 6 was evident. Who's going to play that Raghavendra kind of innings for Victory 11? What a shot has been completely negated. 6 runs here. I was mentioning this. This was what was required to hit out Preeti Singh off the attack. This is what I love seeing, bat and ball contest. 6 runs here for Victory 11. Purushottam striking it for Victory 11. ₹85 required of 42 deliveries. Purushottam is keeping it very, very tight. Just a single on the long on. There you go. Pick the lens very quickly. Long off. 6 runs. Long off is just a spectator. What a shot by Steve. Much required. Correcting his length now is Purushottam. Back to the good length delivery. One ball on the fuller length delivery on the off volley. Steve made complete use of it. Reduced the pressure a little bit with that sixer. Oh, improvisation here by Arvind. Is it a boundary? Yes, it is. Back to back runs, thick and fast, coming in boundaries in the form of 6 and a boundary here for Victory 11. Is this going to be a turning point of an over? ಒಂದು ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ನೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಲೋಟ ನೀರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೀವ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅರವಿಂದ್ಗೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ರನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತೂ 11 ಮೇಲ್ ದಾಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Put it into the gap. For sure, they will be pushing in for 2 runs. Will they be going in? Yes, no situation. Chance at the bowler's hand. Throw should have been much more stronger, is what Gautam Reddy is trying to say from the middle. And situations would have been different for Steve, who had actually come halfway and then went back. And making sure, of course, the batting power play wasn't so effective for Victory 11. Once again, a big teen deliveries. Single, quick single. Running helter-skelters there was Arvind, but making sure he reached his mark. 47 runs out of 14 deliveries, but a fight nevertheless can be put across here by Victory 11 is what we're expecting. Steve still in the middle. Match is still on for them on the fighting basis. Full lane delivery through the covers, cannot pierce the gap. Extra cover cuts it off. Just a single. It is 78 runs for the loss of 7 wickets with 12 balls to play. 12 balls and a complete respectable fight back is on the cards by Victory 11. But what a match this has been. What a complete turnaround of sorts this was. Guts and Glory started off so shockingly. 2 wickets in that first over. Raghavendra made sure he held his nerve from the ball go itself. 53 runs as a captain. Captain's knock for sure. Along with Manoj putting up a 47-run stand. And putting 123 runs on the board. 2 outside the off stump. Is Steve got an answer for this? Short ball. Long off. Takes it. Completes the catch so cleanly there. Manoj, the man I was just mentioning about him. 29 runs with the bat. And the all-important catch now for Steve. Is that the last hope for Victory 11? Is that the last recognized batsman coming out of the middle?